Hello everyone and welcome back to Project Fern. Today's another video on the Saxo. I'm going to be taking the interior out, taking the floor carpet out and seeing what extent the rust is in the floor pans as well. Hopefully today, by the end of today, I'm going to know exactly what parts of the Saxo need fixing and welding. I'm also going to get it built back up because I'm going to have to store this car outside because I need to get the Evo in here. So yeah, got a busy day today, new lock set, ignition barrel. Yeah, lots going on today, so I'm going to crack on. First by taking this interior out really and seeing what condition the floor pans are in the inside the car. I've got the passenger seat out. There were some bolts missing from the driver's seat. And this Torx bolt here that's holding the back on has been rounded off. I put a socket in and give it a wiggle and it just spins, so I'm going to have to drill that out before I can take the driver's seat out. Bit of a pain, but these things happen. Let's go and get the drill. Both seats are out. I found 20p, I'm absolutely buzzing. I found a Phillips head bits as well, all adding value to the Saxo. I'm going to give the carpet an hoover now. As you can see, I don't know what they've had in here. Maybe like some bird's nest or something, but it looks like back of a sheep's ass. It's disgusting. Matted dog hair and stuff. I always thought this car stunk. I'm going to hoover it out and then carry on taking this carpet out and see what it looks like underneath. Right, that's the carpets out. The floor's absolutely spot on. I thought here was going to be rusty, but it wasn't. It was just bubbling in the paint on top of the metal. This bit is a old repair that's been done, because when I've took the rear quarter panel off, there was no sound deadening in or anything. You can't see down there, sorry, but there's all rust down in the bottom of that as well. So I'm going to grind all that back off and smarten it all up. I've took the aerial off. I'm going to get the paddle on that as well, grind that back, see what conditions that's in. I've put this door back on, and then I'm just struggling with these seized bolts at the moment on the bottom door hinge. I snapped my Torx 40 bit, so I'm struggling a little bit. I'm gonna have to think invest in an 1/2 inch impact wrench, a cordless one with some impact torque bits as well, and that should hopefully whip them off so I can get the other door on. But I'm going to start grinding back this metal now and seeing what condition it is. Yeah, and keep plodding on really. Been a bit of a slow day so far, but I'm getting there. I've just started tidying things up and I've just found this random blue wire. Bit of insulation tape on the end. Doesn't look like it's part of this loom, but it is insulation taped in up there. Does anyone know what that blue wire's for? Let us know in the comment section below, please. I've started to grind back where the rust was on the bonnet. Also where the aerial had corroded. I don't know if that's going to need a patch in it, more than likely. On the driver's side underneath, you can see where the main hole is. I really don't know what I'm doing here, but I suppose you're only ever going to learn if you crack on. That's the hole that runs down the sill on the driver's side. I'll try and get in now with camera a bit better. So that needs cutting out. All this needs cutting out. It's just flaking off. Half the car's on floor. This is a repair panel from a previous attempt, but it's gone through on the side here. Looks like it's not been treated properly once it's been welded. They just welded it on and then slapped the side skirt back on, probably to get it through an MOT. I'm going to jack the passenger side up now and crack on with that. I've started grinding back on the passenger side. As you can see, when I pulled the under seal off from under the car, we have a hole, or a drainage hole as I like to call it, or a money box slot. I can get 3 fingers in there. So yeah, that's a bit of a problem. I thought it looked alright from up top, but as soon as you start prodding underneath, you start seeing where all the issues are. I'll show you underneath now. So that's the hole in the floor pan that I've just put my fingers in. That's the hole near the jacking point on the front. So it's about 6 centimetres across that, but the rest of the sill is clean. Just needs a bit of a clean up. Like I say, I'm well above my head, or over my head, should I say, with all this stuff, but just got to keep cracking on. Gonna go around the back now, under the boot, and see what it's like on the boot pan. Underneath here, this box section's a bit crunchy. I think it might be called the rear chassis leg, I don't know. This has been bumped. This is the worst of the 2 sides. That's solid enough. The driver's side is much better. Still a little bit crunchy. But yeah, all in all, I know a lot of people are saying they've seen worse and there's more rust on others, but like I say, not a clue what I'm doing, am I? I'm going to have to start learning how to weld quick, or this thing's going in bin. We've got a big pile of rust over middle unit floor. Right people, I've had enough of this Saxo for today. I'm tired. It's been a long day. Got lots done, I suppose. Still finding all the rust, grinding it back to the good metal, seeing how big the patches are going to have to be, and trying to get my head around all this welding malarkey. Hope you like this update video. Still in 2 minds what to actually do with it. I wake up one morning, I want to get rid of it. I wake up the next morning, I want to start welding on it. So yeah, I'm going to have to make a decision soon. Hope you like this video. Thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Any comments, put in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.